myself up, moving on to the better. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. Early feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Extra, extra.
What are you guys doing?
What are you doing?
Nothing. Me? Just hanging around.
Try to change the fucking 4-1-volt oil filter.
God.
Yeah, I guess it's coming off.
Not coming off?
So 2 7/16 and a 10. This is what happens when you don't change your oil for months. What?
I crushed it and it fucking blew.
Splooged out. Brian's over here blew out. Close your ears, Madison.
Shoo, she on there, kid. I like it. You know, oil leaks on this car.
Good God, man. About the same?
You're an idiot.
You be my boyfriend?
You want to be my boyfriend? Yeah, I won't be your boyfriend. Why not?
I like you.
That's what your wife thinks. You're my boyfriend. Are we gonna do some fun stuff?
Yeah.
I'm gonna strap you in the passenger seat. Just 60-foot it.
Yeah, that's child endangerment.
Yeah, you should jump in there tonight.
Me? I don't know. I'll fucking shit. Literally shithied my pants.
I'll turn everything on right off the hit.
No, fuck no! Now I don't know. I'm definitely not going.
Just put it up on the bumper one time. Just for a You will shit your pants.
You'd be able to hear me screaming through the picture. Mm-hmm. You have to do it during the day so you can get my reaction. You can't see my reaction.
I'll hear it. We're gonna go silent.
I'm gonna yell so loud it's gonna be only dogs can hear it.
That blue thing right out of there. Pull it.
This?
Yep, pull it out.
You're away from the side of the car?
Yeah.
Alright, now stay completely out of the way. You always stay away because sometimes the car goes one way or the other.
Oh my God, I'm scared.
Yep.
Shop safety with Dean James Racing.
Pumpkins.
Stock tank.
Oh, the little pieces? Yeah, I gotta get those. Just that side.
Yeah. It looks good though.
I like it with the factory bumper.
I can't believe how well it matches. I didn't think it was a factory color.
Yeah, I think it is. It's a little bit lighter, but I think after it gets compounded and it gets like the sun fade out of it.
Oh, now I do.
She was bogeying. She was bogeying.
You were revving it on the way back. We all went, he's happy.
Oh, fuck yeah, I'm happy. So, yeah, keep bringing that second one in faster and faster. Nice. That's clean there. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Yeah, believe me.
And no cross. You stayed in it. You were getting a little
This road is so
shifty
bouncy.
out there.
That was
So bouncy.
You want me to turn this off?
than the other night. It's almost, yeah. That's pretty good. And a shittier 60 foot.
Yeah.
So that's cool.
We're on a shittier road.
Yeah. All right, let me save that.
Yeah, let's check this ground. Fuck yeah.
That'll do, pig. Look how clean that is.
Yeah.
Other than this right here.
One little blip, that's
Fucking
it.
clean that up right there.
What is that?
We
What
gotta
line
fix
is that?
that out the back.
Yeah, a little spikage there.
Well, we're not making any more passes, right?
No.
Okay.
Can't.
Yeah, exactly.
We got a droplet for
Yeah.
each tire.
A droplet for each time.